Ready? All right. So, advanced 62-inch paste machine. So we're getting ready to set it up for the job. So two things you want to look for. First, there's a plug on the bottom. It's rubber. Make sure that rubber plugs in the bottom, because I poured glue in without that having the plug in there, and the glue goes right through. So I want to make sure these feet get locked in so it doesn't move all over the place for you. And it has two clamps, one on each side. So it's going to unclap them, open it up, and we have to look inside the machine. It has two rollers that pick up the glue. And this big one is on top, the little one's on the bottom. You want to roll them, make sure they roll free like that. If they don't, 9 times out of 10, from traveling in the trailer or the van, this one piece, it just has a little tiny groove. And that little groove, it'll pop out. So when you put glue in here, that roller will actually swing out and come up as you're trying to glue pieces of paste, or pieces of wallpaper. So you want to make sure this is rolling freely, plugs in the bottom. We've already stirred our glue. So Dynamite 234, making it nice and runny, almost like paint. Then we're going to fill this thing with almost a full 5-gallon bucket.
Nice and even.
Nice and even. It'll fill out. I mean, it's pretty smooth, but yeah, you might as well just fill it up. You got it here, then you have to lift it up. Some people will put half a bucket. I'm going to lift the bucket. I'm only going to do one. And I just set them in. This thing has 2 arms. One goes this way, one goes that way. And that is the holder for the wallpaper. So this bar has these little locking keys, basically sits in here. So we'll put the wallpaper on here, and then we will take the paper itself, and it folds on top, pattern facing up. And then when you close it and pull it, the paste rolls onto the back of the paper. We have a cooking table. So these go on each side. I mean, there is a left and a right. They fit inside of those little tubes. And this locks on there. And the other side, same thing. This goes in the holes, and then that little piece latches down. And these are boards. And it's sit on top. And all we do is now put it in the paper.
Nice.
Good?
Yeah.
All right.